Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to buy XRP on Fidelity. Now first I want you to just open up the Fidelity app on your mobile phone, come to the bottom, tap on a transact, and from here you'll see these options. I just want you to go ahead and click here on a trade, okay? And you'll actually see all of these crypto options. You can go ahead and change your crypto option as well. I'll just show you an example using Bitcoin, but of course you could decide to change this. And now what you can go ahead and do is, right, you can see the pricing, right? Just go ahead and tap on buy, for example, right here. Just enter the amount that you would like to buy. And let's say it's $20. And then all you need to do is tap on review and just double check everything, make sure it's the correct amount. Okay, and then just confirm the purchase, and then your XRP or whatever crypto it is will be purchased in your Fidelity. Really that easy and simple. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel.